Hi, my name is Sam. I've been sharing some hints and tips in regards to Zoom, etc. But there's one quite nifty little thing that I've just found in the newer version. This is January 2021 in regards to cameras. So we have the camera views. If I just turn my ZZ-SAM machine on, if the mouse stops misbehaving, and then I'll be able to show you what I mean. So that's my ZZ machine up there, ZZ Fred. I'll leave ZZ-SAM off, it doesn't matter. But let's just say I wanted them in a slightly different order, or I don't know, group certain people or whatever. Or just bring somebody to the top that was maybe at the bottom, especially if you've got lots and lots of cameras on. One of the things that you can do now, this is obviously my screen here, the main screen. I can move camera view now, and it moves the order. How cool is that? I kind of did it by mistake, to be honest. I didn't even realise it was kind of a new feature. I hadn't noticed it in the update notes. So I can do it with anybody. I can just kind of move people around to wherever it is that I want them to go. Let me know how you get on with it. Let me know how you can use it, or how it's kind of worked well for you, and pop it on the comments.